Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. If you're new here in my channel, my name is Payal and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing this traditional Indian makeup tutorial. In the video, I will be telling you in detail, step by step, how I have achieved this traditional Indian look. If you're liking it and you want to know how I achieved this, then please keep watching. First, we'll moisturize my skin. This is White Sheet Brightening Lotion from Face Shop. After the moisturizer, I will use Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores Primer, and this is a pore minimize primer, and it mattifies your skin as well. This is very good for oily skin people. As you know, I do have a very oily skin and I really need something which mattifies my skin. Okay. Moving on to foundation, I will be mixing these two color. I actually use this one and this one is almost I'm running out of it, and this is a darker shade. As you can see, this really doesn't match my skin tone, but I came here, I am now at my home and I'm a little dark right now because I don't know, whenever I come home I just get tan somehow. Really don't know why. So I will mix this two shade. You don't have to do it if you have your perfect match in foundation. I don't really have. Most of the time I mix and match. Most of the time I mix and match with shades together. So this one is Maybelline Dream Stain Skin Foundation in the shade B2, and this is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 332 Golden Caramel, and I mix them using a back of my brush, which I usually do because I just don't feel like putting my finger to mix it. That just becomes too messy. I'm taking PAC 304. This is a stippling brush to blend the foundation into my skin. We'll move on to concealer. For concealer, I will be taking Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand Sable, and the shade number is 20, if by any chance I have pronounced that wrong. To blend the concealer, I will be using this dish brush from PAC. This is 272. Will contour my face using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. This is actually a concealer, but I use it as a contour as this is a very dark shade of concealer. Will apply that to the hollows of my cheekbone. I don't really have a hollow here, so we'll try to create a hollow, and side of the nose. Okay, let me squeeze it a little bit. I usually put little bit in here to just give some illusion of having a big lower lips, and also to the forehead. And we'll use the stippling brush as there is some residue left from the foundation. This will kind of make the blending easy. For the nose, I will be using the concealer brush because with that I cannot really blend it precisely, and also for this two area. First we'll start with the nose. For blush on, I will be taking this blush stick. This is from Faces Canada. This is All Time Pro Blendify stick in the shade Passionate Pink. Then we'll blend that using the same stippling brush from PAC. Moving on to compact, I will be using MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC35, and will be using a powder brush from Maybelline. You can use the sponge, comes with the compact as well. Moving on to the eyes, we'll apply the concealer, the same concealer I've applied to the under eye onto my eyelid. We'll take the same powder, MAC Studio Fix, to fix the concealer, to set the concealer. For eyeshadow, I will be using PAC single shadows. They all are PAC single shadows except this one. The yellow one is from MAC. And we'll be taking this red color. I will mention the shade in the description box. And using PAC 028 brush, I will apply this to the crease right above my crease line. And as you can see, I'm just applying it to the outer corner, and then while blending, I'm bringing that to the inner corner, and I'm blending it in a circular motion. Next, I'm taking P10 from Wet n Wild, and we'll take the same color onto this brush, and this time I will be applying this precisely to the outer corner here. Then we'll take this shade right here. This is also a PAC eyeshadow, and we'll use my finger to apply that to the middle of my eyelid here. Next, we'll take this golden shade from Kiko Milano. This is their Wet n Dry eyeshadow, and the shade number is 233. And we'll spray my setting spray to the brush. This is PAC 383, and we'll pick up the color, and then we'll apply that to the inner portion. We'll move on to the under eye. We'll use the same red shade from the PAC single shadow, this one, and we'll be using the same brush. This is Wet n Wild P10, the precision brush, and we'll apply that from the outer corner. Now I'm taking the Kiko Milano Wet n Dry golden eyeshadow and applying it to the inner corner with the help of the same brush I was using earlier. And the good news is today I am not going to do any wing eyeliner. I will be applying a kajal pencil instead. This is Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Kajal. This is in the shade black. We'll tight line with this first. And then I'm just going on top of my lash band just a little bit. I'm not applying it like an eyeliner. I'm just applying it very little bit. And then I'm taking a pencil brush. This is Sigma E30. Then we'll just smudge this here. Then we'll take the same kajal pencil and we'll apply that to the waterline as well. We'll take the same pencil brush and we'll smudge the under eye as well. For eyebrow, I will not be doing much. I will be using this brow setter. This is 24-hour brow setter from Benefit, and we'll just set the brow hair. Moving on to mascara, I will apply Lala Lash from K-Beauty. If you want, you can apply a pair of false lashes as well. We'll take this lip liner. This is from Maybelline. This is their color Sensational in the shade 120 Rich Chocolate. We'll finish it off with this lipstick. This is from Faces Canada. This is their Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer, and the shade is Tease 14. Next, I'm going to wear this pair of jhumka and also this. And we'll be back. That concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this traditional Indian makeup tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. That is really helpful for my YouTube channel and also for me. That helps me to stay motivated. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye.